Tabak tawriba mioi singi oina yamna sauna nungsa sor hondokpa ama oina sahi amada lupa lak taranitoi fangleba tabak tawba mioi amatana income tax thibagi mathau tadre hairi wafam asing ase India ge finance minister Nirmala Sitharamanna union budget parliament futhokpa matamda lauthokibani middle class da tabak tawriba mioi sing asina India ge semilon gi pangal hapabo Sakhangba oina makoina hana furamba income tax thirambagi awaba adu Narendra Modi na lusing balingak asina sakhangna makoida income tax ki sang yamna hanthana thihanbagi khongthang ase lokhalakibani haina Nirmala Sitharamanna haiki masiga loinana leingak asigi makhada anoba satna gadaba semdoklaba thifam thokpa hanthaba income tax ki sang su lauthoki nauna leblaba income tax ki rate singi manungda Tolop tagi lakpa senpam adu nattaba normal income oina lakpa lupa lak mari fawba lakpada tax amata thiraroi lupa lak mari dagi lak nifan fawba lakpa singna sada manga khak thi hanthana thiragani lupa lak nifan dagi na tarani thoi fawba lakpana sada tara lak tara nithoi dagi lak tara taruk fawba lakpana sada tara manga aduga lak tara taruk dagi na lak kun fawba na sada kun lak kun dagi lak kun mari fawba na sada kun manga amadi lupa lak kun marigi mathakta normal income lakpo singna sada kuntra hanthana thiba yaragani hairi
personal income tax reforms with special focus on middle class. Democracy, demography and demand are the key support pillars in our journey towards Vikasit Bharat. The middle class provides strength for India's growth. This government under the leadership of Prime Minister Modi, has always believed in the admirable energy and ability of the middle class in nation building. In recognition of their contribution, we have periodically reduced their tax burden. Right after 2014, the nil tax slab was raised to 2.5 lakhs of rupees, which was further raised to 5 lakh rupees in 2019 and to 7 lakh rupees in 2023. This is reflective of our government's trust on the middle class taxpayers. I am now happy to announce that there will be no income tax payable up to income of 12 lakh rupees.